Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for your next DIY project, especially if you're crafting with kids. These are the 300 pieces acrylic heart-shaped beads, and without a doubt, they are the best heart beads for kids. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or any other jewelry, these beads are a great choice. Let me tell you why. First off, these heart-shaped beads are made from high-quality acrylic material. They come in a vibrant mix of 8 colors: purple, white, yellow, rose red, green, blue, red, and orange. The colors are bright, cheerful, and perfect for all kinds of craft activities. With 300 pieces in the pack, you get plenty of beads to experiment with, so there's no limit to your creativity. What makes these beads ideal for kids is their size and design. Each bead measures approximately 0.34 inches in length and 0.15 inches in thickness, which is just the right size for little hands to handle easily. And with their small hole, these beads are perfect for threading onto strings, wires, or cords to create personalized jewelry. One of the standout features of these beads is the packaging. They come neatly organized in a clear plastic storage case with 8 separate compartments. This makes it super easy to keep the beads sorted by color, which is not only practical but also helps teach kids a little about organization. It's a great way to keep everything in one place while making the crafting process more fun. Now, let's talk about how versatile these beads are. You can use them to make a wide variety of jewelry, from necklaces and bracelets to keychains, earrings, and even mobile phone pendants. They're also a great addition to other craft projects like decorating hair accessories, creating custom tassels, or making DIY gift decorations. The possibilities are endless. And if you're looking for a fun and meaningful gift idea, these beads make the perfect gift for friends, family, or customers. You can craft unique pieces of jewelry for special occasions like birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or even Thanksgiving. What better way to show someone you care than with a handmade gift? Finally, it's worth mentioning that the manufacturer, Yuntop, promises top-quality products, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, they offer a 100% refund. This makes it a safe and worry-free purchase. So, if you're ready to get creative with your jewelry making or looking for an easy and fun craft activity for kids, these 300 pieces acrylic heart-shaped beads are a fantastic option. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these beads are sure to help you create something beautiful. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. Happy crafting!